What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I'd like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, just a quick video today. This is an update video, first wash video of the BMW M4 that I did about a month ago. I'll put the link down to the description in the description of that video. We went ahead and polished and coated this thing with the Clean by Pan 8-year coating. And it's been about a month. He brought it back to me for the first initial wash. So we're just going to give this thing a quick maintenance wash and just check up on the coating, see how it's performing. And that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy, nothing astronomical. But yeah, let's have a look at this thing and see how clean it stayed. Let me know what you guys think. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the M4 right here. Got my bucket set up, got my wheel bucket set up. Now this thing, it's been about a month. A few little spots on it. You can actually see where it beaded up and then blew back. He did say he parked this thing under a tree and there was a bunch of sap all over it. And he just used his spot-free rinse and had to rinse it off. Other than let it sit on there. But he said it just rinsed right off. He said the normal trips that he does, that there's hardly any bugs on the front of this thing. And he's just amazed at how easy it is to blow stuff off of this paint. But, I mean, it still looks great. It's been a month. This thing still looks fantastic. Wheels are a little bit dusty in there. And I've just got my pH neutral soap in my wheel bucket. I've got the Clean shampoo in here that we're going to use to wash this thing. Going to foam it down, rinse it down, and then come in for a contact wash. But overall, this thing still looks fantastic. Not mad at all. Still tons and tons and tons of gloss. And yeah, so I'm going to get the foam cannon set up over there. Show you me rinsing it down. And we'll get this thing washed up and check on the hydrophobics. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here on the back rear wheel. Now we did coat the face of the wheel, and I did use the Clean spray sealant on the inside of the barrel for protection. So let's give this thing a good rinse and check it out. Effortless. Nothing sticking. Nothing sticking. Looks good. I'm going to go ahead and give this tire a quick spray of my Kraken from Phoenix EOD. Grab my tire brush. Club that in. Nothing crazy there. Wheel looks good. Dip in my pH neutral soap. Just come in here and give this a little scrub-a-dub. That's all you really need when the wheels are coated like that. Lightly dusty, nothing crazy. It's a good thing about having protection is the ability to keep it clean so much easier. So much easier. Get the barrels first. Another quick tip. I always start at the rear wheel because if you start at the front wheel, then all this water and soap is going to come running down this way and you'll have to kneel in it. So I like to start with the rear wheels first, then move to the fronts. But yeah, I forgot my other wheel brush up there. So I'm going to go grab my wheel brush, get the wheel face cleaned up. Should be effortless. Get started on the paint. All right, real quick. You could see, I got my little wash sponge here. You can see the coating is just completely rejecting the soap on the wheel. That's what you want to see. I mean, effortless. As long as you maintain your wheels when they're coated and protected. I mean, it's been a month, and all you need is a pH neutral soap, car soap. You don't need the iron removers and wheel cleaners and degreasers and all that crap to clean your wheels. Just a pH neutral soap, and you'll be just fine. All right, another good example here on this front wheel. As you guys know, these European cars, they're prone for brake dust. I mean, look at the brake dust in there compared to the rear. Now, the good thing about having protection, watch this. You know all that brake dust running off? Yep. That's all the brake dust. So you get 90% off just by rinsing it. I love it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, getting ready to foam this thing down. Looking good so far. It's rejecting the foam. That's what I like to see. Nice rundown rate. Soften up all that dirt. Pull it off the paint, even though the coating is doing most of the work, as you guys can see. Love to see it. Love to see it. I'm gonna let this dwell and then rinse her off. Check out some Hydrophobics. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a few minutes. Let's go ahead and start rinsing this thing off. Well, glass is looking beautiful. Roof is looking beautiful. Everything's looking beautiful so far, as I expected. Oh yeah. It's looking gorgeous, guys. Well, that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Yes, I even showed it the license plate and all the carbon, as you can see. I call that an absolute win. Glass looks amazing. Now, I had one guy comment 8 minutes on rinsing a car. Well, the reason I like to do the first wash, I like to rinse it thoroughly and make sure every panel I coated is performing up to my standards. So those of you guys that don't want to see 8 minutes of me rinsing, fast forward. But those of you guys that want to see 8 minutes of amazing hydrophobics, please stay tuned in. I mean, that's just crazy. Look at the bead work. And I haven't even washed this yet. That's a win. I'm going to get this thing washed up, dry it, pulled into the garage, dried off, and we'll do a little final thoughts on the Clean by Pan 8-year maintenance wash. All right, folks. Now, I wasn't even going to film this part, but you guys, I just got a new nickname for the M4, and we're going to call this Margarine because it's absolutely butter, baby. Oh, man, it's just effortless the way this mitt just glides over the paint. You see it going, it won't, the soap won't even stick. I love that when I'm washing a vehicle. I love it. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Slicker than snot. All you do is just drag the wash mitt like so. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my new nickname, because it's butter, baby. That's what I like to see. All right, enough jibber jabbering. Let me get this thing washed up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, quick final thoughts segment on the BMW. You guys, this thing just looks gorgeous. It just looks gorgeous. Coating's performing absolutely flawlessly. I love it. The 8-year is amazing. The 3-year was awesome. It's super, super, super slick under the towel. I mean, it's just butter. We nicknamed this thing Margarine. But yeah, this thing looks amazing. I couldn't be happier with the performance. As you guys can see, it looks amazing. Let me show you guys. Quick maintenance wash. This thing is still glossy as all get out. Yeah, I said it. Look at this thing. Oh, man. It looks amazing. So, highly recommend you checking out the Clean by Pan 8-year. If you guys haven't, 3-year and 8-year, both great coatings. Couldn't be happier. He's going to be super stoked with this thing the first time he goes to wash it. Like I said, I always do the first wash on any vehicle that I coat, so I can check the performance, make sure it's up to par for my peoples. So yeah, I'm happy. 2 thumbs up. Beamer, 2 thumbs up. It's happy, ready to go on its journey and voyage off into getting taken care of by the owner. So, and he knows how to take care of this. He's got like a spotless rinse setup and everything like that. It's just going to be a breeze. It's going to be so easy for him. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video update. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me while you're down there. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, you guys get notified. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. I'm going to catch you guys all in the next video.